Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play with Google, uncovering its many fun and interactive features. You can discover hidden games directly in search results, use Google for quick calculations and conversions, and explore fascinating facts and trivia with simple queries. It's a fantastic way to make your search experience more engaging and enjoyable, offering a delightful blend of utility and entertainment right at your fingertips. Google offers a variety of interactive tools and games directly within its search interface. You can easily play classic games such as solitaire or tic-tac-toe by simply typing their names into the search bar. Need a quick decision? Spin a virtual fidget spinner or roll a die. You can also access practical tools like a color picker or a metronome instantly, making everyday tasks a bit more playful. Beyond games, Google hides many creative Easter eggs triggered by specific search queries. For a fun visual, try typing "do a barrel roll" into the search bar and watch what happens. Another playful trick is to search for a skew, which will subtly tilt your entire search results page. These hidden gems add an element of surprise and delight to your browsing experience, showcasing Google's playful side. Google also provides several practical yet playful utilities for everyday use. You can easily set a timer for any duration, like 5 minutes, or use a stopwatch directly from the search bar. For quick decisions, simply type "flip a coin" to get a random result. You can even explore a wide range of animal sounds, from a lion's roar to a cat's meow, offering both fun and educational value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.